Let's talk about how to define functions. In order to declare a function, we use fun keyword, fun. After the keyword, we add the function name followed by parameters, a return type, and braces. In the braces, we add the function's body. If there is no return value, unit type becomes the return type. But we already know the return type can omit. Then Kotlin infers unit type as the return type. If a function consists of a single expression, it can omit the braces and use the equal symbol. It's so-called single expression function. Single expression functions can omit a return type too, even though the return type is not the unit type. How it's possible is because there is only one expression, so that Kotlin can infer what the return type is by the expression. Let's test it out. This is simple Kotlin function. The name is sum, and we have two int parameters and int return type. As you can see, in the function's body, there's only one expression. In this case, of course, you can use the braces, but also you can omit the braces and use the equal symbol to make a single expression function. Plus, you can infer the return type from the expression so that the return type can omit even though it's not the unit type. Next, let's talk about overloading. We can declare multiple functions with the same name that have different parameters. It's called the function overloading. Overloading in Kotlin works the same as any other languages. Next is default argument and named argument. When we declare a function, we can assign a default value to a parameter. If there is a no value passed to the parameter when the function is called, the function can use the default value. It's called default argument. And when we pass argument, in general, we pass them in the same order of parameter. However, if we want to pass only specific parameter or in different order, we can pass it by name. It's called named argument. Here we have the sayHello function, which has two parameters and print out some strings in its body. What if there is no values for these parameters when the function is called? We can set some default value for it. Let's say we call sayHello and pass only one argument, number 10. You'll get an error because the first parameter type is string and we pass the int type value. So if we want to pass a value for the second parameter, normally we should pass two arguments and the name value should be the first and the number value should be the next. But by specifying the parameter name, we can pass only number value too. This is it for defining functions.